Happy holiday, folks, and today we will be taking a look at and building and reviewing this amazing winter holiday train, which has an engine, a center, which I call a colt car, and another car carrying presents. This was a GWP purchase that technically lasted for almost 2 weeks, which I'm still shocked. This is 294 pieces, set 40700. It's a Lego creator, and it gives you tons of holiday vibes with presents, green car aesthetics, Christmas tree, all the wonders. Let's dive into the build and stay tuned to the end of the build where we will go in depth and review this set. Well, folks, here we have the Amazing Express GWP you got during the Black Friday season. Actually, for 2 weeks. It was for an insider points you could get this too. Black Friday, insider points before Black Friday, you were able to get this Amazing Express engine. You got the amazing looking detailed engine that looks so realistic. It is definitely far from minifigure scale. You do have an amazing looking smokestack that has some smoke coming out. 3 locations for lights if you want to DIY light this. You also got a custom movable bumper, which makes it look really aesthetic. Also, you got 2 bumper attachments here, some stairs on each side of the engine. The engine also got a total of 10 wheels, 3 big, 2 small on each side, with a golden looking trim to get to the festive season. Next car is the first present car, which is also known as, it would be the coal car, but for this it is just a present car that has a total of 5 presents stacked on top. The next car, which is big and has four, the middle car has 6 wheels, this one has four. You have a nice big Christmas tree stacked up with 4 leaf pieces and then a green cap with a star on top. It is on a swivel, so you can be able to swivel the tree all around to a 360 motion. And just like it was with the center coal car area, it also has a stack of presents on the back, which there's 5 presents on this. If you got another GWP, you could probably make more cars like these and attach it to make it into a bigger train. This train is not fittable for the Lego train track. This is just a GWP you can add to your amazing Christmas village. I will be adding it to mine. I may or may not DIY like this. I am still unsure about that situation. It just might be a little aesthetic in the background. This was an amazing little GWP. Definitely worth the spending of the set that I did get, but in all, I would have got the set regardless without this GWP, but it was definitely worth the addition. Let me know your guys' thoughts in the comments below of this amazing GWP. We unfortunately don't get as many trains as I would like. I wish we got like one big, huge, workable engine every year, but unfortunately it's not the case. Maybe in the future Lego will do something like that. I would love some more collector edition kind of trains that we can build. Same when it comes to boats. I know we got the Endurance, but it'd be nice to have more boats and trains. And planes. Boats, trains, and planes. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'll see you guys all next time. As always, keep building your life just one simple brick at a